up, everyone? Just on my lunch break here at work, and we're just taking the M3 out for a quick little car wash. I live here in Utah, and so it gets down to, freezing. It shows on the thermostat right now it's 35 degrees, and so sometimes it's a little hard to wash the car, and probably don't do it in the way that most people properly like or things like that. But take you along for a quick little drive and just a quick wash and return to work. Thanks for watching. Is a right-hand drive right there. Pretty sick. Honestly, not sure what that is, but it looked cool. Some Japanese spec something. Car's still cold, but this is the worst road ever, but pulling up to the car wash. Let's see if any of the bays are open. That one has a bunch of mud in it, so we'll try that one. Throw her in reverse. Get lined up a little more. As you can see, the thing is just dirty. Luckily, it hasn't really snowed too much, so there's not really salt on the car. This car's actually never really seen salt or anything yet, which is awesome, and I intend to hopefully keep it that way. But it just needs a good cleanup, so let's get a good car wash going. Well, this car wash sucks and had like no soap, so basically just kind of rinsing it off, hitting the spot free to hit the minimum on the car machine. Luckily, he's still getting some beads on this needs a correction, the paint correction, and also some ceramic coating. But that won't happen until springtime because it doesn't make too much sense right now in the winter when the paint's going to get pretty abused. But luckily, you know, we're getting through January and hopefully getting close to warmth. Okay, just grab some new microfibers and gonna give her a little wipe down. I love this paint in the white, in the light. You can see how cool the blue and other things are with it. All right, got it cleaned up. It's looking a lot better now. I'll give you a quick little walk around of it. Okay, that's the quick little car wash here. Just gonna cruise back to work and enjoy the M3 a little more on the way home. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. I know that was a quick just little wash of the M3, but just trying to push more content out. I'm hoping to get a GoPro pretty soon and start filming some POV stuff, which I really enjoy, and kind of continue the process of owning this M3. Thanks so much for following along.